if you fail to be promoted at Orlando Pirates, and then you go and play mhlambe for a certain team, go Betway Premiership, which is a top flight football, you perform there without any pressure again. I didn't see what he has done with any place to Kaizer Chiefs.
Not every player would be good for every team, Mos. You know, there's those exceptions. Obviously, exceptions always break the rule. There are exceptions, people who can fit everywhere. They are versatile, you know. But not every player will fit into the playing style of a particular team, the system of a team. It doesn't work that way. But Junior Kanye, automatically, if you fail to fit in a particular system, he writes you off. You're a terrible player.
The same high-profile team in Pirates. Pirates azange promote. He was released. He went to go into Kukun and play there, and then his Chiefs signed him. West they gave him unpaid. So in Tengshayo ngimbonile adlala week in and week out. Whether he make mistakes, they didn't care. He can be booed by supporters. My supporter can say, when you watch him play tactically, how comfortable, more than a position, maybe comfortable. Maybe I'm a side mirror. Maybe awareness. Where I'm a password, overrate game. So technical is good. We need to be. Yeah, you can kick the ball on both feet. But the question is, sometimes is it necessary to do that every time you got the ball? Nah.
But technically is good. The ball. That's all he can do. He can just kick the ball. He's good. Good. Left. Ball. Right. Ball. That's it. Man.
And some people, they are very fortunate.
Junior Kanye into nje lekuye lekhona idume enhloko ukuthi Yusuf Maat is fortunate. He didn't earn anything in his life when it comes to football. He's just fortunate.
That's why ngisho mina ngithi even players are overseas, not donke deserve ke overseas. It's about who you know. It's about who you know. Njoba ngisho ngithi namanje leka Marte baboneni mfethu. Is he playing ilento ukuthi unamakhepa amaningi for Kaizer Chiefs? Yes, he scored a beautiful goal ku final. We need to give credit.
Yeah.
Mhlambe yilo nale lenza ukuthi kube nenoise, yabo? Because
maybe it's that wonder goal yeDabi. Uyikhumbula igoal yeDabi ayikora center. That's why
ngithi mina
maybe it's that wonder goal.
That's why ngithi shocking ezinye izinto, but na compliment idlo zakhe ukuthi limlwele umjita noNkulunkulu wakhe. Vele ezinye izinto sometimes izinto zwele endaweni eright nesikhathi esiright. So
he'd rather credit God and the ancestors of Yusuf Maat, but not Maat himself.
Good is God.